Okay guys, so I did drive the car, right? But my first drive was very short-lived. I'm gonna explain to you guys what's happening. The car does feel good, but it is sputtering, and for whatever reason, my engine is having a misfire. I'm gonna show you guys now. Okay, so this is the cold start. It's been sitting for quite some time. And you'll see what my car is doing. I'm priming the fuel pump. As you can see, it's having a misfire, right? When under heavy acceleration, it was kind of sputtering. I'm not gonna accelerate it now because it's not warm. But as you can see, it is definitely shaking a lot. As you can see there. Sorry, the fan is extremely loud. What I've concluded when I did buy this car, and it has like a little smoke. I don't know if the camera's catching it. Let me see if I go back here. Nah, that's normal. What I've concluded when I did get this car, right, it did run. It is running now, but I didn't do a tune-up. So meaning I ran it with the same spark plugs I had. I just recently changed that. I changed the fuel filter. I ordered a distributor cap and rotor with new wires to see. My fuel pressure here is at, hard to read, but it's at 30, so it's not bad, right? It's not bad, but let me see if I can catch what the car is doing for you guys when I accelerate. Okay, so as you guys can see, it is shaking, so that means something's wrong. I'm trying to figure that out, but let's see. You see? Well, it's not doing it that much. But when you accelerate it, it has no power. So I'm thinking that has to be, it's not doing the popping, but I'm thinking, you see? This is all the way floored. Let's see if I do it slow. So as you guys can see, when I floor it, it does nothing. It's like it doesn't have power. I see some smoke coming from back here, which is just the headers. But it's definitely, I am going to wait. I ordered it because it does not, they don't have it in stock nowhere in New York. So I'm gonna change the spark plug wires, distributor, cap and rotor, and I already changed the spark plugs. It's just, that's how the first drive went. Very short-lived, because I did have a oil leak from the oil cooler I installed, and I fixed that. But besides that, for the little bit I drove it, I got a lot of love. A lot of people giving me thumbs up. But as of right now, she is, as you can see, she has a misfire. My cooling is good. Most connections are good. Oh, if anybody can actually help me. My turbo gauge is just stuck on +7. It wasn't like this before. I'm not too sure if anybody can kind of guide me what is the problem or where should I look. I do have spare gauges if that's the issue. I just wanted to know there is no fuse for this turbo gauge here. If anybody has an idea, if I have to remove the dash, I will, but there's no fuses to this, and I did already check the sensor. I swapped the sensors out. It's still the same thing. I'm not sure if there's a shortage or if this can be shorted out at the actual gauge. Please let me know. But yeah, guys, we're almost there.